Dog tips and tricks you need today. Many people adopt dogs without knowing a great deal about how to care for them. There are many different issues to consider when caring for your dog. Different breeds require different care, you have to choose the right kind of food, and you have to understand the health problems that can afflict them. Read the following video for more information. Make your home doggy-proof. Create a safe area to bring a new puppy into the home. Hide medications and chemicals, cover your trash, and put food where he can't get to it. Some very common plants are quite toxic to animals, so always make sure they are out of reach. In the same way that a yearly physical is helpful to you, a yearly trip to the veterinarian is a must for your dog. Even the best dog owner will find it difficult or impossible to detect the first signs of health troubles, like a tooth infection or arthritic joints. A checkup once a year will help diagnose any problems. Refrain from making the training sessions with your dogs too long. Extended sessions can make a dog tire out and become bored easily when you are trying to teach them new things. Limit your training sessions to 20 to 30 minutes, as this will help to keep the full attention of your dog. Don't be upset if your dog does not want to get dressed up. It's becoming more popular to dress your dog in dog clothes, but some dogs just don't like the feeling of having clothes on. If your dog does not relax after the clothing is on, you should remove the clothing to avoid your dog trying to remove it by itself. After watching this video, you should have a better understanding of what is involved in owning a dog. If you already own a dog, you can make use of this information to take better care of it. If you are thinking about getting a dog, this video can help you make up your mind. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.